Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Is this the right platform for a train to Piccadilly Circus? I am a bit lost.
No problem. Let me see. Yes, this is the right direction, but you cannot go directly there on this line. You will need to change trains at Leicester Square.
Oh, I have to change? I am looking at the tube map on the wall and it looks very confusing with all these different colors.
Don't worry, it is much easier than it looks. You need to stay on this train for exactly 3 stops until you reach Leicester Square. When you get off the train, look for the blue signs for the Piccadilly line.
Okay, 3 stops to Leicester Square and then follow the blue signs. Is there a specific direction I should look for?
Yes, that is important. You need to follow the signs that say Piccadilly line northbound. Just follow the arrows on the walls and they will lead you right to the correct platform.
Northbound. Got it. I will keep that in mind. How long do you think the whole journey will take from here?
It is quite fast. It should take about 15 minutes in total, including the time it takes you to walk between the platforms during the change.
That is great. I am also a bit confused about the payment. How much does a single ticket cost?
Well, it depends on how you pay. A single journey is £2.80 if you use an Oyster card or your contactless bank card. However, if you buy a paper ticket with cash, it is much more expensive, about £6.70.
Wow, that is a big difference. I am staying in London for 3 days. Is there a better option for me?
Absolutely. You should get a day pass or just use your contactless card for all your trips. There is a price cap, which means after you spend £8.10, all your other journeys that day are free. It gives you unlimited travel on buses and the tube.
That sounds like a much better deal for a tourist. Where exactly can I buy an Oyster card or a day pass?
You can find those green and silver machines over there near the entrance. They have menus in many different languages, so it is very easy to use. There is also a small ticket office with staff if you need more help.
Thank you so much for being so patient and explaining this to me. I feel much more comfortable now.
You are very welcome. Don't worry, you will be an expert on the London Tube by tomorrow. Welcome to the city.
Thank you. Have a great day.